Hi, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and this is another one of my helpful tech tips. A client last week asked me how to open two Word documents at once. One way to do it is just to open Microsoft Word, and once that opens, all you have to do is open any Word document that you have by clicking on it like that with your left mouse button. You just click one time, and that will open that document. And then if you want to open a second document, all you have to do is just click up in the upper left-hand corner here where it says File, and then that will open this back up again. And then all you have to do is select whichever file that you want to open from your list of recent files, or if the file you want to open is not in your list of recent files, you can just click where it says Open right here in the upper left-hand corner, and then click where it says Browse right there. And then you can just select whichever file you want to open and double-click it, and you'll have two files open in Office. So right now I have two Word files open. Let's say I had one of them maximized so I couldn't see the other one. All you have to do is take your cursor and go down here to the taskbar and pick whichever one you want to open, and then you can just open it like that. And if you can't see both of them in the taskbar, then you can just put your cursor over one of them and you'll see both of them pop up, and then you can choose which one you want to open. And that's basically how you open multiple Microsoft Word files. It also works for Excel files or really anything else. That's how you do it. If you have questions about this or any other questions, and you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Germantown, Bartlett area, Arlington, and you would like in-home computer repair near you, just feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362.